Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's project, I'm going to be starting off with an empty box. I'm going to open this up and cut it to the size that I need for my project. I'm going to be rolling this to make it more flexible for the project. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'll be having this cardboard around an IKEA stool. To keep this in place, I'm going to staple it down. And then after that, I'm going to make holes and use zip ties that's going to hold the stool and the cardboard together. I wanted this to be round, but because the bottom part of the stool does not give me the round shape that I want because of the extension of the legs, I'm just going to go with the shape that I have now, which is still okay. I'm taking this route to attach the cardboard to the stool together with zip ties because the stool is metal and I didn't want to go through the stress of drilling through it. So this works just as good and it's so much easier to do. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted the outer part silver. I'll be covering the top and the bottom part of what I've just made with bling wrap. The next thing I'm going to do is glue on the Dollar Tree bowls to what I've just made. And these bowls come 4 in a pack, and I used 15 packs for this project. Because I don't want the lip of the bowl to come in contact with the floor if it's going to be put either way, because of the extension that's over here on the bowl. That was the reason why I had to use bling wrap at the top and at the bottom of what I made. I'll be using a clear construction adhesive and a hot glue gun to attach the bowls to the cardboard. I'm going to continue gluing on the bowls to the cardboard till I get to the end. Like I said before, 15 packs were used for this project, but then I noticed that I had a little space by the side here and I can't use bowls there, so what I did was to use a little bit of bling wrap to cover up that space. It is better to allow the adhesive to set overnight before you start moving it around. Since this is a stool, you can sit on it. But I noticed that I had a tendency to always want to put my legs over the bowl, which would break. So I'll recommend gluing on the bowls from the other side that's closed to avoid coming in contact with the open bowls. Now you can also use it for a side table, and I'll be covering up the inside to make it neat. And then turn it round and place either a tray or anything you have that's flat on top of it, and then put a mirror in the middle and you've got a side table. This is much wider and I got it from Party City. I'm just going to place it like this and glue the mirror on top of it. This can also be used as a vase. You just add a little bit of height on the inside, add floral foams for flowers, and cover up the opening here. This will be used for faux flowers because of the cardboard that I used on the inside. You can make another table design using the silver plated plates like the one I have here on the left. And the link for that video is going to be down in the description box below. This quick and easy DIY is not just pretty, but functional as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.